Coming at you from outside of Asheville, North Carolina. This is my sister Jennifer.
Hello.
And Vincent, come here. I got Vincent here. Come say hi. Yay! And we are unboxing the holiday line. This is actually take two because we didn't have pricing up and ready. But take two. And what I love about this holiday line here, which is available today, and I have it, but I was sworn to secrecy, available starting October 1st. Is it's all about mindful giving, and they created sets that are inside of reusable bags, which being a B corporation, good for you, good for the planet, is always a good thing, right? Yes, that's what we're about. But I wanted to read this little note. So this is an example of one of the bags. This little note here. This season, we've made a conscious decision to reduce the use of virgin plastic and paper by opting for recycled and reusable materials. We hope you'll do the same so we can all play a part in helping our planet flourish. This is awesome! Okay, that's just my packing list. And Vincent likes all of this stuff too.
Well, here's their vision statement too.
Oh, that's nice, yes. The vision statement. We believe everyone can flourish in being good to themselves, their community, and the planet.
Yay.
Okay, so let's talk about the first gift set.
What do we got?
What we got? We have Sugared Amber Spa gift set. And it comes with the bath salts. You want to smell it? And I love this. It says an all-over mist. And it's the Sugared Amber spray
This is very
mist.
subtle.
Yeah, it's a really good point. It's super subtle, but it smells wonderful.
What's this?
I love this. That's the body mist. Breathe it in. Shouldn't do that. And then there also comes in there is the body scrub. So you get the three products. You get the bath salts, the body mist, and the sugar scrub. I'm sorry, body scrub. I think it's a salt scrub. I used it last night. And how much is this set? This is Sugared Amber Spa set.
The Sugared Amber Spa gift set is catalog number 5419.
5419.
And the PC pricing is, IC pricing is $27.95 and PC pricing is $34.40.
Nice. 34 and 40, did you say? Preferred client pricing.
Yes.
34 bucks and some 40 cents or something like
Again, product code 5419.
that. Okay. So Sugared Amber is one of them. And you guys, this should be available online already. So when you click, you'll be able to find it. So this set is Soft and Smooth Body Gift Set. Soft and Smooth Body Gift Set. What comes in here? Coconut body oil. Oh my gosh. I love all of their body oils. They're so nice. They're not greasy because there's no mineral oil. And the coconut cleansing polish, which you will use in the shower. So it's got a little bit of grit to it, so it will exfoliate your skin. So how much for the set, which is the Soft and Smooth Body gift set?
So that is catalog number 5415 and IC pricing is $39 and PC pricing is $48.
I don't know if they can hear you.
Oh, it smells so good. Okay.
Go a little bit louder, but it smells like
I
coconut
will
butter.
talk louder.
It smells like coconut butter, which is lovely.
But it's very, very subtle.
Very subtle.
Hello, Daddy Longlegs.
We have a daddy long legs. We're in the yard. All right, the next item is a Sugared Amber candle. I love these. They are long burning, 3 hours. Like burn new candle for at least 3 hours to allow wax to pool evenly across the surface and prevent tunneling.
There we
Didn't
go.
know that.
This is product number 5586 and IC pricing $27.95 and PC pricing $34.40.
I love the Sugared Amber. How would you describe Sugared Amber?
It's a warm scent. There's a vanilla undertone to me. Because what does amber smell like? I don't know. I think amber is a non.
Yeah, I
smell.
think it's
So it's
very
warm,
subtle.
it's earthy based, it's got a slight vanilla undertone and a slight like honey,
Yeah.
like a little bit of honey.
Tim smelled it and he says, I smell like cake. But
Nice.
that's Tim.
What's this one? What's this one?
This one is the Pampermint Foot Care Set. This is
We know
one of
about
our
Pampermint.
favorites. It's got the foot balm in this nice tin. Smells like peppermint.
The Pampermint Foot Care gift set is product number 5504 and
Ooh.
IC pricing $27.30, PC pricing $33.60. What else is this?
Exfoliating bar soap for your feet.
This is new packaging.
This is new packaging.
This is new packaging too.
And it used to come in a tub, but now it's a bar. I like the bar. Oh, and socks. Who doesn't like cozy socks? So this comes with the set when you get the Pampermint gift set.
Does it have the grippies on the bottom?
No grippies.
Oh, good. I don't like the grippies.
So you get the cozy socks, and they're so soft. I want to put them on right now. It doesn't feel like Christmas yet, and I know we're a little bit early, but
Oh. So
Yes?
one of my favorite products, beside the fizzies in the Arbonne line for nutrition, is the protein, and this is pumpkin spice shake help me out. I'm stumbling on my words.
pea protein.
Pea protein.
Shake.
Yes.
It has the matrix of protein: pea protein, cranberry protein, and rice protein.
So this is item number 2969. Can we smell it?
Yeah. we can smell it.
2969. IC pricing $50.05. PC pricing $61.60.
$61.60, which I think is right in line with our other.
What's this?
Oh, that smells good. That smells like pumpkin pie.
It's
Which, if you know me growing up, instead of a birthday cake, I had pumpkin
She
pie.
would always ask for pumpkin pie instead of birthday cake.
Mom would put candles in the pumpkin pie.
This smells like pumpkin and then like a chai mix almost. Like it has an element of chai.
I'm going to make one of these right after we get off this video.
Yes, please. I'm hungry.
I know, I am too. I haven't eaten yet. Okay, next set is the Evergreen Forest Hand Care Duo gift set.
Say that 3 times fast.
Yeah.
This is product number 5430. $39 IC, $48 PC.
You know what? That's very reasonable because I know this lasts a very long time. And one of my favorite scents ever is evergreen or pine. I love the smell of trees, and I love the smell of lumber when it's cut. Right? A lumber yard. We grew up with that, right? My dad built our house. So this is the tray that just sits right next to your sink, and your 2 pumps sit in it. I'll give you that. I like that they branded that. This is the hand lotion that can go in there. You got that? Display. And then the hand wash. And I love the smell of this.
See how this smells?
It smells like pine forest.
But it's so subtle. It doesn't
Yeah.
have that really sweet smell that some other products have. That's nice.
So isn't that nice? You sit that right by each of your sinks. I know in the winter time, our hands can get really dry because we're washing so much. A, like who isn't? And B, the air is so dry. So this is super nice. Who do you know that maybe is in the medical field who would like to have this next to their sink? This would make an excellent, very caring gift for that person. Okay, what's the next thing?
I want to do it.
Does it have a tag?
Well,
It doesn't have a tag.
did it fall off?
Is this the tag? What's in there?
Is this the... Yes, that's the tag.
Kids Cookie Hair and Body Wash.
This is the Kids Cookie Hair and Wash Body Set.
So this is for kids or young adults who love fun things like this.
This is a gingerbread hair and body wash. Oh, Leslie. My stomach is rumbling, and this is body wash.
It's making me hungry.
Is that?
Hair and body wash for the kiddos.
Snickerdoodle hair and body
Smells
wash.
like cake. Oh, it smells like so like cake.
No baked cookies.
No baked cookies. which we'll be making here very soon because we're starting the 30 Days to Healthy Living on Monday.
So 3 different scents for the kids' hair and body wash. So we've got the Snickerdoodle, we have
Gingerbread.
and now we have Sugar Cookie.
Nice.
It
Does it
smells
smell like cookie?
so good. Let me give you everybody the pricing on that.
Okay, for the pricing on the trio for kiddos of the 3 body washes, hair and body, all in one.
Arbonne Kids Cookie Hair and Body Wash Trio Gift Set is product number 5580. IC pricing $30.65, PC pricing $37.60.
Very reasonable.
Oh, here's your thing for your tray.
Oh, thank you. All right, the next gift set is Shea Butter Hand Lotion Trio gift set. And the trio has apricot. It has coconut. What else does it have? There's a dog. There he
He's
is.
behind you.
And jasmine. And jasmine is my favorite. It just, it's so amazing.
This is item code 5465. Excuse me. There's a ding in my phone. 5463.
A ding in your phone.
IC pricing $27.30. PC pricing $33.60.
I love jasmine. Who loves jasmine?
Hello.
Smell my hand.
I know.
We need to move on.
I want my own.
Oh.
We need to move on.
Well, here. I don't know which one it is.
Okay. Well, you keep going.
Here we go. We have
Are those ornaments?
this is an ornament, and this is a mini mascara.
Oh, look. There's another
No,
one.
this is lip and cheek mini stick. So this is blush and contour. It's got the 2 ends in one little travel stick. I'll be taking that. It has, there's another mint moisturizing lip balm in mint. And what do you have?
This is a... Oh, it's a mini mascara.
A mini mascara. So these are
Nice.
ornaments.
It's a Speak Volumes mascara. So this is item number 5406. IC pricing $13.65. Oh, for 3 presents for $13.
Is that it comes as a trio?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then PC pricing is $16.80.
Great for stocking stuffers, or if you just want to hide these on the tree.
Or for travel.
All right, this is the last one.
Or for travel.
Oh, for travel. For travel. Cooling facial gift set, and I use this. So there's one product in here. When we opened this the first time, and this is why we're doing the live together because we had so much fun. Jennifer's like, "This is hard as a freaking rock. What is this?" But it's called a cognac cleansing sponge with green tea, and it only lasts 2 weeks. But what you do is you actually soak it in water. Soak it in water, and it acts as an exfoliator and a cleanser, but it gets soft. And you just
This was hard as a rock when we opened the package.
it was like loofah. Or
It's
not like loofah, but
it's a really interesting texture. I like
know.
it.
I know. Cognac cleansing sponge. And
What else is in there?
sponges, we don't want to use real sponges because they belong in the ocean, and the fake sponges typically can be petroleum based, so this is a recyclable sponge that also exfoliates. Beautiful. What else is in there? Good question. Cooling facial oil. I love this facial oil, especially if you have dry skin. It's going to be amazing. And then also the cooling face mask. So how you're going to use this, you're going to cleanse maybe with your new Age Well or your RE9 or your Calm or whatever you're using.
Don't get me started on the Age Well.
And then
So
I
good.
like to, I know, I love the Age Well. We'll do a separate video on that.
Okay.
And then you pat dry and you put this mask on. It's a cooling mask, and you're going to leave this on until it dries. You can leave it on for, after 10 minutes you can wipe it off, it says. And then you're going to wipe it off with this sponge. So my suggestion is you just get in the bathtub and get your bath salts in your bathtub. Line up all your products on the edge. This is what I did last night. I'll post a picture of my toes. And just sit there with that cooling mask on. It is lovely. Okay, Jen, pricing.
Okay. This is number 5414. IC pricing $48.10. PC pricing $59.20.
All right, so preferred clients get 20 to 40% off for a full year plus free shipping on an order that's at least 150 SRP. I love that. You also get rewards, purchasing rewards. When you buy every other month, Arbonne will throw you a free gift, so you get to pick. And for consultants, you get the bigger discount, 35 to 50% off, and free shipping when you hit 500 SRP. That's the price before your discount. And certainly rewards through commissions and things like that. We have something else in here?
Nope, that's it. But
I think that's it.
help.
Oh, ooh, little drippy. That's all right. Well, thanks guys for tuning in. If there's anything I can do for you, as always, just let me know.
We hope you're all well.